That expanding thing it does is just so much fun. Like, I don't care how old you are, it is just fun to watch. See this little thing go from being this flat to all of a sudden it's like, wow. What's up everyone, Mandy here from On The Grow, and today we are in our house again. We're coming back with some more of the home growing kits that we're going to be testing and seeing which ones work out best. We wanted to start a whole series for more of the home growers, and we figured this is a great way to begin that whole section. So today we have the Verdant Republic Purplicious Microgreens kit. And this was $13.95 on Amazon, which makes it one of the more low cost ones. So let's go ahead and just check this out real quick. What it appears is some microgreens growing in a cute little pot. And on the top, it says grow your own superfood. It has red beet, red Russian kale, Radish Sango, red cabbage, and red chard, which I'm really interested in seeing this because I know that beets and chard are kind of hard to grow. So let's open this. All right, so what we got in here, just a little pamphlet, which kind of just talks about what microgreens are, and then it gives you some more information about microgreens. It's just saying happy microgreens growing. It's just another little info thing. Oh nice, they give you a little recipe. So that's kind of cool that they gave you a recipe. They also gave you some information about the nutrients that each one of these provide and how long it takes. So that's nice. Oh, these seed packets are actually kind of sizable. It's kind of shocking to me. I thought they were gonna be a lot smaller. So we got our red beet, we got our red acre cabbage, red Russian kale, red Swiss chard, and a Radish Sango. So they actually give you quite a bit of seed here, which I'm seriously like surprised by that. I thought it was going to be kind of skimpy, especially for the price. And then here you got your little pots. These are nice big hole in there. Good. Okay, so we got all those. And then what is this? It's like a little present. I can see how this part could be fun for kids. It's like reminds you like a Christmas gift. Okay, and so these are our pellets and sticks. Okay. So I'm just gonna kind of move some of this out of my way. So one thing I do like about this is they kept with the eco-friendly part. Everything is not in a bunch of plastic, which is awesome. So let's pick out which two we are going to do. I personally want to try one of the harder ones. So Swiss chard I know can be difficult. So let's do that. And then one of the ones that I know is a little bit more easy, I'm gonna go with a radish one. So that means we're gonna need 2 of these pots and we're only gonna need 2 of these little cubes. I guess we'll get our little name sticks as well. So we got all the stuff that we need. And personally, I'm going to put a tray that I have underneath this because I know that whenever I go to water this, because of the hole at the bottom, water will run out and I don't want to get that all over my floor. Okay, so now let's figure out what the directions are. So it says items you will need: bowl, teaspoon, paper towel. I do not have any of those right now. So now what we will do is we'll go ahead and soak the pellets in the amount of water that it said to use, along with the time that it said to soak them for. And we will continue to do all these steps and then get our seeds planted. So I will be back shortly. Okay, so we have gone ahead and we have put our soil in here. We poured out the whole packet of seed into there, which is actually quite a bit of seed. And now it says to mist it. And then you take a damp paper towel. So let's just go ahead, get this guy damp. I think that's pretty good. And now you just place this on top of it. They really took the time to provide a ton of information in it. It's awesome. I think it's really cool. But anyways, before I just keep rambling about this, we're going to go ahead and see how this performs over the next few days. And we are going to go ahead and do this one tomorrow because we need to soak this for 24 hours. So stay tuned for stuff. Okay, so today is day 1 for our Sango radish, which we have underneath here. So I'm not seeing any germination quite yet, but I'm gonna go ahead and mist these in just a moment and put them back into a dark area. But first, we are going to drop this little pellet into this water here and let that expand. And that way it can be ready for planting our Swiss chard that's been soaking overnight. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to strain this and get these planted, and we will check in tomorrow. Day 2, Verdant Republic.
Material and experiential and biochemical differences. And if we're heading back to that, then I do see, then I can get to be with you in prison.
Verdant Republic, Day 3.
This part of the brain is just for problem solving. Don't live in there all the time. Like you said, that's why 25% of the blood is in there as literally.
Verdant Republic, Day 4. Verdant Republic, Day 5. Verdant Republic, Day 6. Verdant Republic, Day 7. Verdant Republic, Day 8. Verdant Republic, Day 9. Verdant Republic, Day 10. Verdant Republic, Day 11. Verdant Republic, Day 12. Okay, so today is day 13 of our Verdant Republic grow. And if you look over here, you can see how they're doing. So our Swiss chard, it still has, I think, another 10 days of growth to go. But, I mean, overall, the germination was a lot better than I expected it to be. And I really don't see too many seed holes. There's only 1 or 2, which that's actually pretty impressive. And then over on our radish, I let it grow a little too long and now it's kind of lanky, but it did get really good germination and even the coloration's really good. The only thing I would have liked to see was more true leaf. I can see that it's just now starting to poke out. So I do think that the timing that they have on here might be a little bit off because it says to grow it up to 14 days and I'm on day 13 and I'm just now starting to see that. And everything's kind of like meh, but I think it worked really great and I'm very happy with it. So now what we're going to do is we're going to harvest this one, and this one over here we won't be harvesting today. Maybe we'll just do an update on that and let you know how that goes. So let's go ahead and turn this on. I'm gonna wait for it to zero out. Okay, and I'm going to move my little stick so I don't accidentally try to cut into that. Let's just see. Get these last couple ones I dropped. Now let's set these scissors aside. Okay, so we're at 46 grams. Honestly, that's decent for the amount that was in here. I mean, whenever I seeded it, it really wasn't a whole lot of seed. So that actually is really impressive. Okay, so the pros of this is there was a lot of great information and it did turn out really good. And I like that everything about it is just very eco-friendly. Like this is all compostable. Almost like compostable. But this is compostable and they really did their best to not add a bunch of plastics to it. So that is really awesome to see and I really enjoy that. So I think that this kit is a great value because you get to have 5 attempts at this. And what I've seen from just these 2 right here, you actually do end up getting really great germination. And on top of all that, all the information that they put into this is just awesome. Like that, it just blows me away how much they were able to cram onto this small little packet right here. So that is it for our Verdant Republic review. We do have 3 other tries though, and if you want to see more or hear more about how the results turn out with those, please leave that in the comment section below, and we will try to answer those as soon as possible and share more about this kit. We will also be doing some more kit reviews here soon, which you can see 2 of them right here. And hopefully we'll get some winners there, who knows. That is it for today. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you dislike it, give it a thumbs down. If you have any questions or comments, please leave it in the section below. And if you'd like to subscribe to us over here, please do. And if you'd like to follow us on Instagram, we are at On The Grow Farms. And we also have a Facebook that is also at On The Grow Farms. And be sure to watch more of the videos over here.